Well into Danny and everyone over on site. We're here at the Titanic Hotel. It's now time for the man with the granny bag to take to the guide stage here at the beautiful Titanic.
Ain't no granny bag.
Mr. Johnny Sands, take it away, dude.
Night skies, long drive, and heartbeat in the sunshine with your bright eyes. When your heart beats, they're just numbers on the roadside. And if you just let me in, I can be your friend. Just let me in, I can be your friend. Just let me in, I can be your friend. Just let me in, I can be your friend. Oh, I will be your friend again. Will be your friend. I can save your skin, and I will save it all again. And sky falls when you're too late. It's the control, and for the heartaches, and when the truth can hurt, but you can't lie. Are they numbers lining up the roadsides? And if you just let me in, I can be your friend. Just let me in, I can be your friend. Just let me in, I can be your friend. Just let me in, I can be your friend. I will be your friend again. Will be your friend. I can save your skin, and I will save it all again.
Who was that, Mr. Johnny Sands on the guide? Twice we've had you on in this very spec, which is good.
We didn't have a speedboat
We didn't have
behind
a
us
speedboat
last time.
no.
We're doing
But
it
it
again.
added to the, you know, the ambience of being dockside.
It's my boat. I think it's been stolen.
Is that yours? It's waiting
Yeah,
for you. Yeah.
It's cool.
I doubt you'll fit the bag on the boat though, to be honest.
That's my granny bag out of the collection.
Collection. We won't go
Yeah.
rooting in there. But tell me about that song. What's an album track?
Yeah, it's off the new album. It's an album track. It's called A Friend. This is kind of a novel way of performing it for you guys. I thought I'd surprise you.
Brilliant. And this is like a mini little harp. And what's this machine called?
Yeah, this is an omnichord. It's like a crazy old machine that it's an auto harp.
Yeah.
And then a little drum machine.
Fantastic.
Just to,
you are the man of gadgets.
Fire up the sparks, yeah.
A new
yeah.
single which you performed for us last time on our Sound City preview show, which you can see now on YouTube. That is released in June, isn't it?
Yeah, June the 8th, Arno. It's all ready to go.
Brilliant.
It's gonna be fun seeing it out there, you know.
Looking forward to seeing
Yeah.
that. And our gigs, you've done Sound City, which was incredible
Sound
today.
City was immense, yeah,
It's
yeah.
just been a great weekend, mate, hasn't
It's
it?
been ace, and the sun came out.
Summer's
once
out
again.
for Johnny Sands.
Boom.
Well, listen, thanks for coming on. I appreciate it. And we'll speak
Always
to
a
you again soon.
pleasure.
Good luck with the single that
Top
is out
man.
in June.
No
Right,
probs.
now, let's get some more